Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Beginner's Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see all the participants in Zoom meeting on mobile. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to Zoom, then enter the meeting. Then click to Participants from the bottom menu bar. From there, you can see all the participants who have joined the Zoom meeting from your mobile. This is how you can see all the participants in Zoom meeting. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.